Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? Hopefully you are good today. Okay, I will presentation about CALL, Computer Assisted Language Learning. What is CALL? Check it out to the material. Computer Assisted Language Learning, or CALL, is controlling the English language by using computer software to convey all or part of the English content. Amateur stated that in the application of CALL, computer software is an integral part of the English processing system for the teaching and learning process, which aims to assist students in learning, either through a two-way interaction pattern through computer terminals or extensive multi-way through computer network, local and global, and also get around its function via a multimedia interface. Call is often defined more narrowly as the solution used in English where a computer is used as an aid for presentation. Levy defines call more broadly as the search and study of computer software in the management and learning of English. Levy's definition is in line with the views held by the modern call limitation. The main purpose of computer-assisted language learning, or CALL, is to find ways to use computer for the main purpose of learning English. The specific purpose of CALL is to use computer technology to advance and learn English, including word processing, presentation packages, exercise, and practice, tutoring, simulation, problem-solving, games, multimedia, and internet software such as email, chat, the World Wide Web or www, www, to build and learn English. In more detail, the goals of calls include cognitive goals, psychomotor goals, and affective goals. Principle of computer-assisted language learning, or CALL. The use of technology for teaching English relies on basic principles related to settings, conditions, or guidelines, and as a basis for designing computer-assisted language learning. Activities that can help teachers to explore and discover many things in English classroom. There are three components to using technology to support English language teaching and learning. The first component is condition that helps to create an optimal teaching and learning environment for English in the classroom. The second component is to integrate ESL English as a second language. And the last is to integrate the National Education Technology Standard, or NETS. Next material is categories in CALL, Computer Assisted Language Learning. The characteristics of e-learning include interactivity, independency, accessibility, and enrichment. The first is interactivity is the process of providing more communication channels, either directly, such as chatting or messenger, or indirectly, such as forums, mailing lists, or guidebook. The second is independency. Independency is a process of flexibility in the aspect of providing time, place, instructors, and teaching materials. This causes learning to become more student-centered. The third is accessibility, is the process of accessing learning resources easier through distribution on the internet with wider access than the distribution of conventional learning resources. And the last is enrichment, is a process of learning activities, presentation of lecture materials and training materials as enrichment, enabling the use of information technology tools such as video streaming, simulation, and animation. The last material is the role of teachers in computer-assisted language learning, or CALL, is the most important thing. Even though computers have changed the roles of teachers and students, computers are part of being a source of data and information, are also excellent teaching English tools in various aspects, be it vocabulary, grammar, composition, pronunciation, or other linguistic and pragmatic communication skills. More specifically, as a guide, correspondent, motivator, and challenger. Teachers need to have the technical competence necessary to manage the installation and use of the call software, because student enthusiasm can be reduced when technical difficulties arise too often. So, support from technicians or language laboratory centers is often needed to minimize technical problems that arise. Okay guys, thus I'm Kanvi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.